crashing due to drowsiness. In fact, 1 out of 25 adult drivers in the US have admitted to have fallen asleep behind the wheel. And since this cause is dear to our hearts, and as a team we have faced this threat daily while coming back to our distant homes late at night, we have decided to come up with ALARMate, your ultimate driving guardian. ALARMate is a hybrid system integrated into cars, which simultaneously monitors the driver's heart rate and facial features, respectively through a heart rate sensor embedded in the seatbelt and an infrared camera in the dashboard. And when any drowsiness symptoms occur, an alarm sound will alert the driver to keep him awake. So this is a small demo video. This is the profile view of the driver. As he is falling asleep, the alarm will sound off. This is how it's seen on the screen of the device, so when it drops under a certain ratio, the alarm will sound off. This is part of our device. So we acknowledge the existence of competitors in the market, such as Warden or Stop Sleep, which rely only on the heart rate technique, and other products such as Vigo or Drive Guardian, which rely on the facial features monitoring. As for us, ALARMate, we offer 4 unique features. 1, it's a hybrid system, so it's composed of 2 technologies working in parallel. 2, it's non-intrusive, so it doesn't come in the way of the driver. 3, it's user-independent, so it doesn't need any driver's manipulation. And finally, it's plug-and-play. You can put it in any type of car, and it works as soon as you start the engine. Envision 2 phases. The first is an awareness phase with the help of road safety NGOs to raise awareness about the issue of drowsy driving. And as a phase 2, as I said, we aim to partner up with insurance companies and car sellers and resellers to sell our product to them or through them. Right now we have a prototype, and as of the next phase we want to develop the product, so we need the help of a product designer. Then moving on to building the customer base with the help of our partners as listed before. Then moving on into adding a few updates as a next step before mass producing ALARMate. In terms of updates, we aim to store our data and sell it to insurance companies for their own use.